In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect third-party tools to your Squarespace account, enabling you to enhance your website's functionality seamlessly. Whether you're integrating analytics, marketing tools, or any other service, connecting these tools can make a significant difference in how effectively you manage and grow your website. So let's dive right into the process. First, you need to open your web browser and navigate to the Squarespace website. If you already have a Squarespace account, all you need to do is log in with your credentials. However, if you're new to Squarespace, you'll want to create an account, which is a straightforward process involving entering your details and choosing a password. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your website's home dashboard, which serves as the central hub for managing all aspects of your website. Next, direct your attention to the menu on the left side of the screen. Here, you'll see a variety of options to manage your site. You're going to want to click on the Settings option. This section controls your website's back-end operations, including billing, domains, and most importantly for us today, integrations with third-party tools. Once you're in the Settings panel, look for the option labeled Third-Party Tools. Clicking on this will open a page showcasing various external services that you can integrate with your Squarespace site. This area is vital for adding tools like Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, and other partners that can provide additional services like enhanced analytics or marketing support. You might notice that Squarespace has already pre-selected a few popular tools that many website owners find beneficial, but you can also search for and select others that best suit your needs. After finding the desired tool you want to connect, the next step is straightforward. Simply click on Connect Account. You'll be prompted to log into the account of the third-party service you selected. For example, if you're integrating Google Analytics, you'll need to log into your Google account. This step is crucial as it establishes a secure connection between Squarespace and the third-party tool, allowing both platforms to share data legitimately and ensuring that you get the most out of your integrations. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully connected a third-party tool to your Squarespace account. Depending on the service you've integrated, you might want to spend a little more time configuring settings within that tool to best suit your needs or goals. Moreover, don't hesitate to explore additional functionalities and integrations Squarespace offers. It's an excellent platform for growing your online presence, and these tools are there to help you make the most of your website easily. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more tips on optimizing your web presence.